Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, I'll be reviewing Revision Skincare CMT Post-Procedure Cream, a product designed specifically for post-procedure skincare. Whether you've just had a chemical peel, laser treatment, or any other dermatological procedure, this cream claims to be your go-to for soothing, healing, and improving your skin's appearance. Let's dive into its features and how it performs in real life. The CMT Post-Procedure Cream is a dermatologist-tested treatment designed to support the skin's healing process after aesthetic procedures. It comes in a 2-ounce tube and is formulated with key ingredients like ceramides, lactic acid, and THD ascorbate, a stable form of vitamin C. These ingredients are well known for their soothing, moisturizing, and skin-repairing properties, which makes this product particularly appealing for anyone looking to speed up recovery after a procedure. The ceramides help to restore the skin's barrier, locking in moisture and preventing irritation. Lactic acid gently exfoliates, removing dead skin cells to promote smoother skin and accelerate the healing process. The vitamin C in the formula is designed to brighten the skin and support collagen production, helping to restore firmness and tone. In my experience, using this cream after a procedure was incredibly easy. The texture is smooth and it absorbs quickly without feeling greasy, which is a huge plus for post-procedure skincare, as you don't want anything too heavy or sticky. I applied it both morning and night as directed, and after just a few days of use, my skin felt noticeably more hydrated with reduced redness and inflammation. There was a definite improvement in the overall appearance of my skin, and the mild exfoliation from the lactic acid helped my skin feel soft and renewed without irritation. As for the pros and cons, here's what stood out. The biggest pro is how soothing and hydrating this cream is. If you've just had a procedure, it's crucial to provide your skin with the right balance of moisture and healing agents, and this cream does that beautifully. The addition of vitamin C adds a nice touch as it helps even out the skin tone and brighten post-procedure skin, which can often look dull or uneven. On the flip side, one con I did notice is the price. While the cream works well, it's definitely on the pricier side, especially if you're using it consistently for an extended period. It's also worth noting that the cream is more suited for those who are specifically recovering from procedures. It may not be the best option for a daily skincare routine if you don't have those needs. As for value for money, considering its active ingredients and the reputation of Revision Skincare, the product is well formulated for its intended purpose. However, if you're on a tighter budget, you might find similar soothing creams for post-procedure care that offer a more affordable option. When comparing this to other post-procedure creams on the market, Revision Skincare CMT Post-Procedure Cream holds its ground with its combination of ceramides, lactic acid, and vitamin C, but it does come at a higher price point than some competitors. Some alternatives focus on soothing and moisturizing with a simpler formula, while others may incorporate other beneficial ingredients like peptides or hyaluronic acid, which might be more beneficial depending on your skin's needs. As for the build quality, the packaging is sleek and hygienic, which is essential for a post-procedure product. The tube ensures the product stays clean and easy to dispense, and since it's a dermatologist-tested brand, you can trust that it's formulated with high standards of safety and effectiveness. So, would I recommend this product? If you've recently had a cosmetic procedure and need a gentle, effective way to care for your skin, the CMT Post-Procedure Cream is definitely worth considering. It's soothing, hydrating, and it supports skin recovery, but it's not the most budget-friendly option out there. If you're looking for a product to help with healing and calming, this is a solid choice, especially if you're willing to invest a bit more into your recovery. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.